Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something fun and practical. How to change app icons on your iPhone in 2025. With iOS 19 just around the corner, customizing your home screen has never been easier or more personalized. Whether you're looking to match your wallpaper, create a minimalist vibe, or just add some flair, this quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time. So, grab your iPhone, and let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Head to Settings, General, Software Update to check and install if needed. This is crucial because 2025 brings enhanced customization features that build on iOS 18's shortcuts. Step 1. Open the Shortcuts app, which comes pre-installed on your iPhone. If you don't see it, search for it in the app library. Once inside, tap the plus button to create a new shortcut. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for the Open App action and add it to your shortcut. Select the app you want to customize, like Safari or Messages. Now, for the fun part, tap on the Shortcuts icon in the editor and choose Photo to select a new image from your gallery. You can use any picture, a downloaded icon, a photo you edited, or even something from the web. After that, give your shortcut a name that matches the app, and hit Add to Home Screen from the shortcut details. Boom! Your new custom icon will appear on your home screen. Tap it, and it opens the original app seamlessly. A few tips to keep in mind. Make sure your custom images are high resolution for a crisp look, and organize your shortcuts to avoid clutter. If things go wrong, double-check your iOS version or restart your device. There you have it. Changing app icons on your iPhone in 2025 is straightforward and adds a personal touch to your device. Give it a try and transform your home screen today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite customizations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.